Hey Instagram fam! Today we're diving into the latest and coolest feature on Instagram, the Reveal sticker. But first things first, make sure you've got the latest Instagram update installed. Alright, now that we're all up to speed, let's get creative. Open up your Instagram app, fire up that camera, and pick out a photo for your story. Once you've got your perfect shot, let's add a little mystery to it. Tap on the sticker icon up top, and there it is, the Reveal sticker. You'll recognize it by the eye icon with a line across it. This sticker is going to keep your story hidden until your friends and followers reach out to you. Now position that sticker wherever you like on your story, and if you're feeling extra chatty, you can even add a message along with it. Take a peek at the preview to see how your blurred-out masterpiece looks. Trust me, it's all about the anticipation. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and share your story to your profile. But wait, here comes the fun part. If you switch over to another account and try to peek at that hidden story, all you'll see is blur. That's right, the only way to unveil the mystery is by sending a message. So go ahead, hit that message button, and watch the magic happen as your story reveals itself. And hey, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned for more Instagram updates and sticker options. Until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.